Hello, I'm Brandy George, and in this video we are going to learn how to create games on Flippity. So the first thing that we're going to do is pull up the Flippity website. So you go ahead and type that in, and it brings you to here. Now, what you do next is you go through and you find one of the games that you would like to edit. There's many different ones to choose from, and they have demos that you can go through here. So if you click on demo, these are the flashcards, and you can click through them, and it gives you the answers, just so you can see what it's like for the students to use this. You can go through, and they have different game modes, so this works as a different questionnaire, so the students will, this one would be harder to do virtually and would be easier done in the classroom. But each student would click on that, answer the question, then they would mark whether they get correct or not. There's also a fun match game. This is one that I've worked with where they choose blue to match, and it's a click and match game like that. So it's a memory game. And from there, you choose your game. So whichever one, they've got games down here that you can print off, like a word search or a crossword puzzle or word scramble. All these that are green have to be printed off, and they don't work as well for virtual learning. So, because I started to do one of those because I thought that they could be filled out virtually, but they cannot. You have to fill in the words for which ones that you want, and that's how it'll be designed down there, but you can't type it in virtually. So we choose a game, and for today I'm going to go ahead and go with the Flippity matching game. And how you do this to start editing the template is you click right here where it says template. And make sure that you are already signed in to your Google account up here before you start this process, otherwise it won't go to where it needs to go. And right here you will click on Make a Copy. So it's moving here, and now you see my Google Doc, and this is what I can edit to create my own game. So if I wanted to add more colors in, then I could click right here, and let's add light blue. And then we could Google search for light blue paint color. Not paint. Let's see here, paint color. And then we can choose this picture here. And if I right click, I can copy or open image in a new tab. And then once that image is open in the other tab, then you can copy the link address and go back over to your document and just paste that right in. And then that color will also show up in your match game. And you can go through here and change this out for anything, obviously, so you can change it to be any of the topics that you would like it to be for a match game. I've made this one for Arkansas State, or for states of the United States, and so I had words. The words were all the different states, and then the images were of different states within the U.S., and the students had to find the match. There are other ways, so if you choose a different game, like let's say the board game, and we wanted to download that template and look at it. Here is where you can get the game to go ahead and do what you want it to do. So that one is a board game, so they're moving spaces, they're rolling the dice, and this is how you set that up. So you have your questions over here, or your instructions. So if they hit red, then they move forward 6 spaces, and you can change that out to fit your needs. So that's a really fun way to work through this, and Flippity offers a lot of different fun games, and it's very easily edited. Now once you've changed your setting around here and you've gotten to what you want, you need to make sure that you've changed the name. So color match is what I'm going to do here. And then you go to File, make sure to publish to the web, and once you've hit Publish, press OK. And then down here, Flippity says you can get the link right here for your matching game. And then you copy that and send it to the students. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you.